In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to blur the background of an image or photo and completely for free. Now what we're going to be using is tinywhale.com and I'll link this down in the description. Now when we're on here, what we want to do is click onto the search bar. It's then going to pull up all of these tools just here. But now if we type in blur background and click search, it's then going to be this first one just here. Now if we click on here, all that we have to do, drop our image onto the screen. So the image that I have is just here, and what we're going to do is blur the background of this image. So let's go ahead and take this, drag it onto the page. It's going to take a few seconds to process. Then it's going to look like this. Now don't worry too much about this. At the minute it doesn't quite look right, but it will be perfectly fine once we've actually done this. So right down the bottom, this is where we can play around with the blurriness. So if we increase this bar, it's going to be more blurred. If we decrease it, it's going to be less. Now let's put that somewhere in the middle and click blur. Now again, this is going to take a few seconds to process, then we can download. Now is this going to be perfect every time? Probably not. This does work better with people in photos as well. But considering this is completely free, it does a pretty good job. Now as we can see, that's been blurred, so now we can click on download, save to device, and now if we open this and put it next to the original just like this, we can see it does a pretty good job. But that's just how easy it is to blur the background of a photo and completely for free. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.